Do taxi drivers prefer cash? Quick answer, many taxi drivers like cash tips, but it depends. Cash is instant, fee-free, and usable right away for fuel or food, which is why independent cabbies often prefer it. But the story changes with card terminals, fleet rules, and ride-hail platforms. In some cities, processing fees are covered by the company and the full tip reaches the driver. In others, small fees or slower payouts apply. Some drivers actually prefer digital tips because they're safer to carry, easier to track, and required by certain dispatch systems. App-based rides typically won't accept cash tips at all. Here's the practical move. If you're in a street hail or traditional taxi and you have small bills, cash is usually appreciated. If you're paying by card on the in-car terminal, add the tip there. Most drivers get it in the next payout. On Uber or Lyft or similar, tip in-app so it's recorded and routed
Just
correctly.
past the bridge here on the left,
When in
right?
doubt, ask with a smile. The real goal isn't cash versus card, it's making sure the person who helped you actually receives your thanks.